Hi listeners. Welcome back to Percakapan channel. Learning English and Bahasa Indonesia. Today you're going to listen to a short story. First part, you listen to a short story, then answer the questions based on the story you've heard. Last part, you retell the story again in your own words. Let's start listening now.
4. Discussing different points of view. Some people are always starting an argument. They often have very little information on the subject, but this doesn't matter. They have strong beliefs, anyway. There's no point in debating with people like this because you can never resolve anything. But with other people, a difference of opinion can start an extremely interesting discussion. Each person tries to explain his point of view, but he listens to other arguments too. This type of conflict becomes an exchange of ideas instead of a quarrel. Whether or not their differences are reconciled, each person learns something from the experience. In New England and in some other parts of the United States, citizens of the town meet and talk over all local problems. The people sometimes disagree with each other, and there may be some arguments. Each side will try to persuade others that its point of view is the best. But frequently the two sides are not really far apart in their views, and this kind of public discussion helps to settle their differences. This is a healthy situation. Questions. Why shouldn't you argue with people who have little information on a subject? 2. What is a quarrel? What is a discussion? How are they different? 3. When does a conflict become an exchange of ideas instead of a quarrel? 4. What do the citizens do in New England? 5. Do you think public discussion of local problems is a good idea? Why? 6. Do you know of other places where citizens meet for public discussion of local problems? Now, please retell the story again in your own words.
That's the end of the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe, like, give comment and share this link to others. See ya.